Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Scott's spreader is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to achieve a lush, healthy lawn, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd, examining its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in delivering a professional-looking finish to your yard work, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck and a greener lawn with less effort. Number 5. PetraTools HD 4000 Battery Backpack Sprayer. Introducing the HD 4000, a battery-powered backpack sprayer designed for convenience. Enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge, perfect for any large task. We are an American family-owned business committed to your satisfaction. Our dedicated 24/7 USA support team is always ready to assist you with your sprayer. Experience maximum comfort with its double-padded straps and back pad. This design reduces user fatigue, making it ideal for extended periods of work in your garden or lawn. Achieve the perfect spray for any application, from delicate misting to a powerful stream. With adjustable pressure from 40 to 90 psi and 6 versatile nozzles, you can tailor its use for watering, fertilizers, or weed control. Built for durability, this sprayer features a heavy-duty construction to ensure leak-free operation. The translucent tank with gallon markers allows for easy monitoring of liquid levels. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive package. It comes with the battery, charger, tank, multiple nozzles, and all essential accessories for immediate use. What we like. Tired of constant pumping? This battery-powered sprayer offers an impressive 6 to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge, making it ideal for large areas. If you're looking for a hassle-free and efficient way to cover extensive lawns or gardens, this is the one for you. What people say. Comfortable to wear and carry with a strong long-lasting rechargeable internal battery. Great assortment of nozzle accessories are provided for different applications. Very pleased with its ease of use and simple cleaning procedure. Number 4. Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader. Introducing the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader, your solution for maintaining a beautiful lawn. It's perfect for applying various lawn care products with ease. This lawn spreader comes fully assembled and pre-calibrated, so you can start using it right away. Plus, its fold-down handle makes storage incredibly convenient. Our innovative EdgeGuard technology ensures that your lawn products stay precisely where you want them. It effectively keeps them off your landscaping, driveways, and sidewalks. Experience smoother product funneling thanks to the redesigned hopper and agitator. This ensures consistent and even coverage across your entire lawn. With a generous capacity, it holds enough product to cover up to 5,000 square feet. This means you can tackle larger areas without frequent refills. This spreader is designed to handle a variety of Scott's lawn products. Use it for grass seed, fertilizer, and even for spreading salt or ice melt during colder months. What we like. For those with smaller yards, this mini broadcast spreader is a game-changer. Its EdgeGuard technology ensures precise application, keeping product off unwanted areas. If you have a small to medium-sized lawn and want a simple, effective tool for even coverage, consider this option. What people say. It's like a magic wand for your yard, making spreading seed, fertilizer, salt, or ice melt a breeze. With a capacity of up to 15,000 square feet, you can cover a huge area in no time. The Scott's Elite Spreader boasts a sturdy and durable design. The materials used are of high quality, and the spreader feels solid and reliable. The large hopper capacity allows for fewer refills, making the task more efficient. The dual rotor technology guarantees precise spreading, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy lawn or effectively managing ice during winter. Number 3. Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair. Introducing Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair, the revolutionary solution for bare spots and lawn damage. It's designed to grow anywhere, ensuring a lush lawn in sun or shade. Our advanced formula combines high-performance grass seed with expanding mulch, controlled-release fertilizer, and protective agents. This ensures optimal growth and protects your seedlings. Guaranteed to grow in any condition, whether it's full sun, dense shade, high traffic areas, or even slopes. Achieve a beautiful lawn no matter the challenge. For best results, apply when daytime temperatures are between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's no risk of frost. This ensures your seed germinates successfully. Covering up to 890 square feet, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply prepare the area, apply evenly, and water until saturated for a complete lawn repair. What we like. Dealing with bare spots or lawn damage. This all-in-one patch and repair product is designed to grow anywhere, from full sun to dense shade. If you're looking for a foolproof way to fill in patchy areas and achieve a lush, uniform lawn with minimal effort, this is your best bet. What people say. Scott's Easy Seed works outstanding. I have been using it for several years and it has not let me down. I watered areas with new seed twice a day. After doing so and within 2 weeks I always has an incredible amount of new grass sprout. This stuff works great. After 4 years of this, I can say it's fast and reliable. I rake away the moss and loosen up the dirt under any dead spots just a bit, put this stuff down, turn on my sprinkler system for the grass area to run daily, and I have a fully recovered, bright green, thick lawn again in just a couple of weeks. I liked how the mulch mix immediately plumped up after rain showers, doing a great job of hiding the seeds from the birds while also keeping the seeds well hydrated. With this product, there were no birds scouring the yard for seed. And in as little as about a week, I was seeing signs of life in the form of sprigs bursting forth from the mulch mix. Number 2. Echo-RB 60 Heavy-Duty Spreader. Introducing the Echo-RB 60, a heavy-duty spreader built for tough jobs. Get professional results without breaking the bank. This spreader is designed to withstand demanding use. Its robust construction ensures it can handle whatever your landscaping needs. Achieve a consistent and even spread every time. It's perfect for fertilizers, seeds, and other granular materials. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it's simple to set up and operate. You'll be spreading with ease in no time. We believe in offering excellent tools at an unbeatable price. This spreader provides exceptional performance for its cost. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, this is the reliable tool you need. Make your lawn care tasks more efficient. What we like. When durability and capacity are key, this heavy-duty spreader delivers. It's built to handle tough jobs and large areas without breaking the bank. If you need a reliable workhorse for frequent use or larger properties and value a great price, this is a solid choice. What people say. It has a solid feel to it with a very effective metering gate. The hopper is high capacity with semi-pneumatic wheels. This spreader not only distributed the right amount of fertilizer, but it spread a wider path which meant fewer rows which meant less time. Very sturdy, very well made, very much easy to use. I feel like this product was built to last, and with the easy adjustments and the oversized tires it makes using this spreader so simple. Number 1. Spyker Ergo-Pro Spy 80-1S Walk-Behind Spreader. Meet the Spyker Ergo-Pro, designed for efficient spreading. Its robust construction ensures durability for all your landscaping needs. Crafted with an all-welded stainless steel frame, this spreader is built to withstand the elements. You can rely on its strength for years to come. With an 80-pound capacity, it allows you to cover more ground with fewer refills. This makes your tasks quicker and more convenient. Despite its capacity, its package dimensions are manageable, making it easy to store and transport. It's designed for user-friendly operation. Weighing just over 19 kilograms, it's sturdy yet maneuverable. Experience the quality and performance that comes from American craftsmanship. This spreader is proudly manufactured in the United States. You can trust in its quality and reliability. What we like. For professionals or homeowners who prioritize comfort and longevity, this spreader is engineered for you. Its all-welded stainless steel frame ensures durability, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. If you're looking for a high-capacity, robust spreader that's built to last and comfortable to operate, this is an excellent investment. What people say. It is a very good spreader as compared to the others that I have used in the past. This unit very expensive compared to others, but looks like it's worth it. It's new, so can't say how it will hold up. But it is very heavy duty compared to box store spreaders. Hardware package complete, all steel stainless, pneumatic tires, gearbox has a Zerk fitting. Just heavier gauge all around. I'm an engineer, and I can tell you it is built very well and with quality construction. Also, my yard isn't level, so the large wheels and the excellent stability of the spreader made it easy to push and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.